This is Cyberbunker. It's an ex-NATO nuclear bunker converted into a data center. They host servers and websites. Though this isn't just a fancy repurposing of a nuclear bunker, there's a reason they're in a fortress with 5-meter thick walls and EMP shielding to military standards. They'll host literally anything apart from child pornography or anything related to terrorism, so presumably malware hosting, botnets, all of that stuff is a-okay. Authorities have tried to shut them down many a times, but to no avail. So let's find out more about that right after this.
Malduino is the Arduino-based bad USB. Inject keystrokes at lightning speed, gain a shell, change someone's desktop wallpaper. With the elite version, simply store and select between up to 16 different scripts on a microSD card. To find out more, see the link in the video description.
I would also note that I'm currently doing a giveaway of a bunch of Malduinos, but that giveaway ends the day this video comes out. So if you want to find out more about that giveaway, please see the links in the video description. Given Cyberbunker will accept pretty much any customer and that they describe their services as bulletproof, you can imagine they're a perfect match for anyone engaging in activities which may be less than legal. Both the Pirate Bay and WikiLeaks mirrors have been hosted here, though whatever your opinion on WikiLeaks or the Pirate Bay, Cyberbunker also hosts Chinese news sites, keeping them up and safe despite the efforts of the communist regime. Given all of this, you'd imagine they take their business very seriously, and I'm sure they do. They even go as far as to say on their sites that they'll physically destroy all of your hard drives if you decide to stop hosting with them, which is pretty hardcore, but can we take a minute to admire their websites? This thing looks like it's straight out of 2005, making liberal use of stock images, and it even looks like their header was made with word art. Even if you're not in the market for a secure server, browsing their site makes for good keks. I imagine they had fun making it. But if you are in the market for one of their servers, be prepared for premium prices. Their cheapest dedicated server on sale starts at €100 per month. For that price, you get a quad-core Xeon processor, 2 gigs of RAM, and 2 8GB drives in RAID 1, so 80 gigs of effective storage space. So for most people, it's probably not worth the price premium, though I imagine the bragging rights are pretty cool. However, if you're hosting something that could be considered on the wrong side of the law, then I imagine the added security is well worth the price, given that they have a very good track record. To date, they've been online for 17 plus years, and if you're extra concerned about your anonymity, they even accept cash drops at the front gate as payment. So why hasn't Cyberbunker been shut down? How have they been able to operate for all these years, given they're probably hosting illegal sites and servers? Surely this thing is on the government's hit list. Well, to put this into context, Cyberbunker is hosted in the Netherlands, and while the Dutch aren't really known for their preemptive strikes, there have been a few incidents. Among the usual legal threats, which never really amount to much, Cyberbunker claims to have been the victim of an unsuccessful police raid. A SWAT team allegedly tried breaking into the nuclear bunker with battering rams, somehow unaware of the fact that the bunker was built to withstand a 20-megaton nuclear bomb. When they realized that wasn't really working out, they threw flashbangs around randomly to try and get the attention of people inside the bunker. Eventually, the SWAT team gave up and went home. No one inside the bunker even realized what went on until they checked CCTV footage later that day, when Cyberbunker's lawyers suggested CCTV footage of the raid could be posted online, which I imagine would be quite embarrassing for law enforcement. The police capitulated and paid €8,000 to cover damage to the doors. I would note that this story is as told by Cyberbunker, as I can't find any sort of official statement on it. So if after all of that you want in, they're actually looking for volunteers to join them in a new bunker they're building in Germany. With a chance of landing a permanent job sometime in the future, you'll get food, drink, a place to live, but most importantly, blazing fast Wi-Fi. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this new style of video I'm testing. I would like to remind you all about that giveaway. I'll have details linked below. If you like this video, do remember to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, follow me on all the social medias, and stay tuned for more hacking videos. Have a good one.